Welcome to our podcast lesson on the positive and negative effects that we as humans have on the physical environment today. First, we need to discuss what a physical environment is. The definition is it's the part of the environment that is physical and can be changed. For example, soil, climate, our waters like lakes and rivers and oceans, and the air that we breathe. Next, we'll talk about a few examples of how we do good things to our environment. We've been able to grow more crops and food to feed the many mouths in our world today. Next, we are good at protecting endangered animals. Endangered meaning at risk of extinction. Extinction means they are gone forever. We have many programs for reduce, reuse, recycle, which we use in our own classroom. For example, instead of throwing paper away, we find a way to reuse it. If we can't reuse it, then we recycle it into our recycle bin. The last example is improving transportation, like inventing cars that don't use gas, like smart cars, which are electrical, or hybrid cars that burn gas more efficiently. While we do great things for our environment, we also do harm to it. For example, we cut down trees, which means we have less oxygen. If you look at the picture in the far right corner, you'll see a whole bunch of stumps. Stumps do not produce oxygen. We throw away a lot of trash and fill up our landfills. Where does all that trash go? Taking over animal habitats and their food sources. They won't have anywhere to live if we're cutting down their homes to make malls. We are contributing to global warming, which is a rise in the average temperatures on the earth because we are burning so many fossil fuels, which is causing a climate change. Which brings us to using up all of our natural resources like oil and coal. Oil we burn in our cars, and we see cars everywhere, and we all use them. Once all the natural resources are used up, they are gone until the earth can replenish them again. We are polluting our air with harmful gases and dumping trash and other gross things into our waters, which is causing water pollution. These are only a few examples. There's many more. We need to make changes so we don't damage our precious earth anymore. If we don't, we'll eventually use up all the natural resources she has to offer. We'll breathe air that is bad for us and could make us sick. All the animals that we love will be gone forever, and we'll have so much trash we won't know what to do with it. We need to make only positive changes to our planet because as far as we know, we only have one Earth to live on.